Hi, this is a summary of indirect reciprocity with stochastic and dual reputation updates. This work is a collaboration between Yohsuke Murase from the Riken Center for Computational Science and Christian Hilbe from the Max Planck Institute for Evolutionary Biology. The study primarily focuses on the concept of indirect reciprocity, a fundamental aspect of social interactions where individuals cooperate based on reputation rather than direct reciprocation. The authors extend the well-known framework of leading 8 social norms by introducing the novel concepts of dual reputation updates and stochasticity in norm enforcement. This extension aims to explore and understand how these factors influence the evolution and stability of cooperative behavior in social groups. Indirect reciprocity is a key mechanism driving cooperation in societies. It is governed by social norms where individuals' actions influence their reputation, which in turn affects future interactions. Traditionally, the leading 8 norms have been recognized for promoting cooperation under certain conditions. These norms typically focus on maintaining good reputation through cooperative actions and penalizing defectors. This paper's exploration begins with this established understanding, setting the stage for an exploration into how modifications to these norms impact cooperative dynamics. The paper introduces the concept of dual reputation updates. Unlike traditional models where only the donor's reputation is updated after an interaction, this approach also considers the recipient's reputation. This dual aspect provides a more dynamic and nuanced view of social interactions, reflecting real-world scenarios where both parties in an interaction are subject to reputation changes. The study explores how this dual update mechanism can potentially lead to more resilient cooperative norms, especially in scenarios marred by errors and misunderstandings. Another significant contribution of this paper is the introduction of stochasticity in social norms. Traditional models of indirect reciprocity often assume deterministic norms. However, in real-world scenarios, actions and assessments are not always predictable. The authors propose stochastic norms where actions and assessments incorporate a degree of randomness, reflecting the unpredictable nature of human behavior and environmental factors. This stochastic element is examined to understand its impact on the stability and effectiveness of cooperative norms. The core of the research lies in identifying and characterizing evolutionarily stable norms that lead to full cooperation. An evolutionarily stable norm is one that, once established within a population, cannot be easily overrun by alternative strategies. The study examines both the deterministic norms, including the traditional leading 8, and the newly proposed stochastic norms. It assesses their stability and effectiveness in fostering cooperation, especially in public information regimes. A pivotal finding of this study is the impact of stochasticity and dual reputation updates on the stability of cooperation. The research reveals that stochasticity can enhance the stability of cooperative behaviors, especially when the benefits of cooperation are relatively small. Furthermore, the dual reputation update mechanism allows populations to recover more quickly from errors, a critical aspect in maintaining long-term cooperative relationships. These findings suggest a significant trade-off between the evolutionary stability of a norm and its robustness against errors. Overall, this work is part of a bigger effort to understand key properties of social norms in a rigorous manner. These studies shed light on which ecological and social environments facilitate cooperation, and on the effects of social norms more generally. In conclusion, Murase and Hilbe's paper offers groundbreaking insights into the mechanics of social cooperation. By extending the traditional models of indirect reciprocity with stochastic elements and dual reputation updates, this research opens new avenues for understanding and promoting cooperation in social systems. The paper not only contributes to the academic field but also paves the way for future research that could explore more complex models of social interactions and their implications for real-world social dynamics.